And here it is, Ryan Hannigan trying to get on the tube. He seems to be having some difficulties.
Look how high it is.
He seems to be having some difficulties.
Matt, just go hold the rope, hold the tube down.
Here's my co-host, Bob
Your rope
Smith.
is.
Sir, what do you think about this?
Swim,
He's got his own life jacket, but he's using
Alright, now
You know,
his girlfriend's boy,
tighten it, pull it
his
down.
sister's boyfriend's tube, so he does not much experience.
No. See, I read the report on him, and he seems to play a lot of Xbox.
Oh, much of it, yeah.
That might have some play in this difficulties he's having right now.
Yes.
Some play.
If there was more exercising and less junk food, and yes, boxing.
And there he goes,
And
Ryan
he has made
Hannigan.
it.
We have
Let's
it.
all give him
Ryan
round
Hannigan
of applause.
has gotten on the tube. He has gotten on the tube. What do you have to say about that performance? Bob Smith?
I thought, honestly, it was
I didn't think he was going to pull through at the beginning there, but he did. He did. All right. And that's all for today's episode of Ryan Hannigan trying to get on the tube. And here's Ryan Hannigan back in his own environment. He's still dreaming over yesterday when he could not get on the tube properly. Although
he still has the same face as when he tubes.
today,
Not now, but
today he got on the tube by himself. Not twice, but 3 times. Ryan, can we see one of those faces? One of your tubing face?
Yeah, right.
I guess we'll have to wait until later.
You go straight, like the same face the whole time. Your hair flows in the wind, whoosh, and you smile like hard.
There must be something on the ceiling because he keeps looking. I'm not quite sure what it is though. Are those good chips, Ryan Hannigan? You're not a celebrity. You
This is the camera.
cannot push the camera out of your face. You are not a celebrity. Only celebrities can do this. The beatboxing Michael Mueller, my co-host Bob Smith.
Hello.
Bob Smith. Why did I have his name Bob Smith? Hello.
My name is Bob Smith, not Hello.
Get your fox straight, sir. Get your fox straight.
Fox straight.
Can we get a classic shocking?
What?
A bullshit.
And that I hear it, the inventor of the retardedest word ever.
The what?
More retarded than retardedest.
Retarded word ever.
Bullshit. It sounds like bullshit. So Ryan,
The
back
two
to you.
Hannigans enjoying a snack of chips. Oh, he messes it up.
Chips are
What's he gonna do?
flying
What's he gonna do?
everywhere.
He smiles, and he bends down.
He's got to smile.
Right?
5-second rule. He follows the 5-second rule.
Right?
5 seconds. How about 20 minutes?
So you knocked him out of my hand. Pick him up.
Let's listen in. Oh,
I flick.
he gets flicked. Classic Charlie Sheen maneuver.
Pick him up, you're being a mess.
The elder shows his dominance by flicking the younger in the ear.
Pick it up.
That's why we're something from the story they told us.
Apparently,
What's that one to the other one?
he doesn't make sense.
Bob Smith, did you catch what he just
No,
said?
not at all.
No.
Not one
Not
bit.
I.
Why didn't Bob Smith?
Because I thought of Bob, and I needed a last name. And so I thought of Smith. And I put them together and equaled Bob Smith.
Alright,
We're getting chips
Oh,
thrown at
he's
us.
about to throw. Attack. Oh, he attacked the house.
You have to pick them up. And here we have Bob Smith and Michael Mueller back on the tubes. Michael tried jumping him already, failed miserably of course. Oh, what a leap of faith from Michael Mueller. Dude, Bob Smith, I mean. Bob Smith with the barrel roll. He comes through. Michael Mueller now remains the only one. Even Ryan can do a barrel roll. In his own little universe that we like to call Halo. Here comes a whip of a lifetime. Oh! Michael! With the barrel! Yeah! And the crowd does not go wild!
The shit?
The syrup?
You eat the shit. We left paper plates and schlochem.
Oh
my god.
Burn myself a little bit.
Are you recording
nearly
Michael eating
impervious.
waffle?
Oh my god.
What?
So good.
Mike,
Bob
do you
Smith
eat one of
here.
those vitamins?
No? Why?
Bob Smith
Do
here.
you, let's
Watching
rephrase the question.
Michael
Did you eat
Mueller
something
eat
that
his
you
own
thought was a caramel
fresh
sugar
habitat.
candy?
No, in a little baggie?
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Watch him eat like a pig. He notices something.
He notices the camera.
You gotta disguise it.
As he's fucking down his meal he just freshly caught.
Oh!
He notices the camera.
Yes.
Bob Smith, we have to run.
What are you guys doing?
Eating waffles.
Eating waffles.
Waffles now.
No. Tomorrow.
I'll clean up everything.
So what are we eating tomorrow for breakfast?
Waffles.
Waffles. Do you realize the amount of waffles we still have left?
That really is not that much.
4.
Yeah.
Maybe
that
here,
much.
maybe 4. But you still have the amount of waffles.
Just
No,
get
but I'm
ramen
telling you, it's not
noodles.
that much.
What
This
do it?
Coke was over there and I put it here. Says yours, honey. Thank you, baby.
No. Waffles and Coke.
Tell you what, tomorrow I'll make breakfast.
Good. With what?
What? Wait, what'd you say?
Nothing.
So you want to fight now, is that it?
Yeah, bring it.
Go. Come over here right now.
Put Gatorade. I love it. Here.
That was Matt, I think. Matthew, what are you doing?
We're filming a sitcom. And here we have it. A quick word from our sponsor, Mrs. Butterworth. Light.
Light.